Hey guys, it's Rachel with WTI. I have Lifeguard Ken here. I find this Ken is pretty cool. Unfortunately, we have lost his shirt, but he does come with one. He comes with awesome flip-flops. I find it pretty cool how they were able to make flip-flops for Ken to wear because it just kind of sits on his foot, but they work. It is pretty cool. He has the full lifeguard outfit, so he has the floating pad as well, which they would have, so this is kind of cool, and he's got the full outfit. He has really cool stylish blonde hair. It is painted on, but the features are so cool. Everything always looks so real on Barbies. And he also has a whistle as well. Unfortunately, this is a doll that my daughter has had for a while, but I love the fact that you can teach her exactly what a lifeguard is, water safety, because she always asks what their jobs are. So she has all the things that come with it, like the board. So then she's able to play water rescue. It's kind of cute. She has a dollhouse that has a pool, so she's always got her lifeguard hanging out by the pool. I think this is pretty cool. It's one of the Ken dolls that I find is pretty cool to add to her collection of Barbies, but that's just my point of view.